using old shopping bags. I've made drainage holes in the bottom. I did that using a metal rod which had been heated up. And this year I'm growing Red Duke of York. I've not grown this variety before, but I couldn't get my regular variety, which is Swift, which I think is an excellent potato. Now, I do have an irrigation system here which I can plug into this bag. I'm not going to do that at the moment. I think it's too cold in here. The soil temperature at the moment is 7 degrees. I will start watering maybe when it gets to 12 or 15 degrees.